Okay, so this is week 11, Thursday, semester 2, quarter 4 for Quentin's DCCR. Let's start off with the first question. Go ahead and read, please. Okay, so the volume of something is length times width times height, right? So let's go ahead and make sure we label everything. This part right here, length. This part right here is the width, and this is the height. It's how tall something is, right? So when I go ahead and plug everything in here, I will have length, which is 30, times width, which is 40, times height, which is 50, okay? So select all the expressions that could not, so the wrong answers, right? So this will be one of them. This one is correct, so we don't need to do anything there. So this one's 1200. Do you see how 3 times 4 is 12? So this one is correct. This one's not correct, so good. And this one is correct. Good job. So that's it. Read that, please. Read that, please. I need you to read it, please. Read.
A bunch of regular
Basils. It's a herb.
Huh?
Basil. It's a herb. It's like cilantro.
Costs $199.
Mm-hmm.
And a bunch of
Organic.
Organic babies cost $2.50. Gina wants to buy 2 bunches of organic babies. How much more would you spend if you buy 2 bunches of regular?
Okay, so there's 2 different types. There is regular basil that costs $1.99, and there's organic. Anything that's organic is gonna cost more, right? So if she were to go ahead and just buy the regular one, you'll do $1.99 times what? Times 2, which is?
$390.
No, $3.98, not $398. Okay. Now, on the other hand, if she were to do organic, it'll be $2.50 times 2, which is what? $5. So what would you do with the 2? No. How much more? Subtract. So what you'll have is $1.02. So it's C. Is that what you have? Number 3, go ahead and read it, please.
Elephants can eat up to 500 pounds of vegetarian in one day. How many pounds of vegetarian could an elephant?
Vegetation.
Vegetation could an elephant?
How many days? So they're doing days and weeks, right? How many days are there in a week? No, 7 days equals 1 week. There are 5 school days, but there are 7 days in a week, right? So what do I do with the 7 and the 500? Yeah. So what's your answer?
8,500.
So it's letter B, C. Okay. Number 4.
Volume of rectangular prism is 7 units by 5 unit cube by 9 cubic by unit 2.
Volume is just when you have 3 numbers and you multiply them, right? So then let's do 7, 5, 9. So what's 35 times 9?
35 times, oh, I did 45 times 7.
Fine, 45 times 7, what do you get?
Where did you put?
What did you get? What was your answer?
315.
Good. Unit cube. Not 3, it's cube. So when you have something like unit, this is called cubed, okay? When you have something like this is called squared. This is for volume. This is for area. Do you see that? All right, go ahead and read the next one, please. Number 5.
1/4 of a dog I need to shake bills to get quarters, to do her laundry, and a coin box for $3. How many quarters get for $3?
Okay, so there are 4 quarters in $1, right? So 13 times 4.
Makes 52.
Did you put 52 quarters? And that's your answer? Okay, number 6. Insulated. Insulated means that it keeps your food warm or you keep your food cold, okay? It has like extra layers. Mhm.
972 cubic. The base of the toast bag is a square with an area of 81 inches. The height.
What do you do with the 2 numbers? You would divide them because this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the base, right? And this is your bag, right? Now the base is this part right here. To find the base, or it's actually has the base of a square. Just kidding. So let's rewrite through all this. So it has a base of a square like this, right? And then this bag is gonna be I'm not very good at drawing, but that's okay. But yeah, you will be dividing it. So it will be 972 divided by 81. 81 times 3, 2.
Oh, I got a 12.
12 what?
12 height.
Is it 12 centimeters? What's the unit? What's the unit? I know, but 12 centimeters, 12 miles, inches. There you go. Make sure you have that down, okay? Height is 12 inches. Okay, number 7, last one. Let's go.
These to display 150 selected shelf for her store. Each shelf can hold up to 24 squares. There is the minimum number of shelves that Alice needs to display. Explain your answer.
Okay, what are you gonna do? Divide. Okay, so 150 divided by what?
24.
Okay, well, 24 doesn't go into 15, so let's do 24 times. If I were to round this, I will round up to 25. I know that 25 times 6 is gonna be 150. So let's try 24 times, yeah, well, 25 times 6. So yeah, I'm rounding up. So let's do 24 times 6. So it should be a little bit smaller than 150. So that's 24, 12, 13, 14. So it's 144 with a remainder of what? With a remainder of 6. So she has 6 more sweaters, right? So you can't just leave the 6 sweaters there. So how many shelves will she need? Okay, this is shelves. Yes. Okay, 6 plus 1 shelves. So how would you explain it?
You would need 7 shells
Because good job, Quentin. I actually really enjoyed doing these DCCRs with you. Yeah, it's simple and it's easy. But make sure you mention that she would need 7 shelves because 6 shelves will leave what? What happens if she only builds 6 shelves?
can't fit the rest.
What will be left?
6 other
Sweaters, right? So make sure you mention 6 other sweaters as a remainder. All right, and that concludes everything.